Samsung Gallery feature the developers hide from the users. Come very close. Let me show you how to activate and enable this very hidden feature.
Come to your phone main settings, click on this search icon, search for gallery. Come to this gallery under apps, click on it this way and then scroll up to mobile data. Come to allow background data usage, turn it off. This will stop the gallery from sending your photos, images and videos to the developers. Return to battery. Click on battery and then turn it off from optimized to restricted. This will stop the gallery from using the battery of your phone in the background, and then return again and click on appear on top and toggle it off this way. Return to the home screen this way, click on the gallery, click on menu, come to settings and then scroll down to the bottom to about gallery. Click on it and come to version number. Click on it multiple times repeatedly until gallery lab is enabled. Now return again and scroll up a bit to review the galleries lab that you just enabled. Now click on it this way and here is the bunch of features the developer hide from you, which you can easily make use of. Just scroll up to things like save as PDF. You can easily save your pictures as PDF. Okay, just enable it this way and that is all. The next thing is to help me share this video for others to benefit from it. Subscribe for more updates like this.